All right, we are back in the kitchen and we are gonna make a super easy and super fast Asian style stir fry. To begin with, you only need 3 simple ingredients. You need your protein. So today we're using 500 grams of chicken. You could also use some beef. From there, grab yourself a ready-made Asian style vegetable mix. And finally, the secret sauce, grab yourself some simply wholesome Asian style stir fry. This is so fast, so let's get into it. To begin with, just grab your protein, and from there, we're just gonna get a pan onto a really scorching heat. Use our cooking spray, and from there, we're just chucking on our protein, and we just really wanna quickly seal it off. So straight in it goes. We should hear that sizzle. As soon as the chicken is sealed off, we're gonna chuck the vegetables straight in. So whilst that's frying off, definitely chuck your rice on straight away. We only need 1 cup per meal. So just chuck your rice on and get that started in the meantime. With the chicken sealed off, we're just gonna chuck our vegetables straight in, quickly fry them off, and then we'll add in the sauce. The final step, we're just adding in our sauce. We're gonna mix it through and then we're gonna let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it. Just keep cooking it through until all the chicken is fully cooked. But from there, all we're gonna do now is divvy it up into 3 even servings and serve it with our rice. And look at this. How good does that look? Be sure to serve it up with a cup of rice and divvy it up into 3 even portions. I'll chuck the macros and the calories down below, but be sure to give this one a go.